Hello guys, if you have the car like this with a diesel engine and your engine is full with oil, let me show you. If your engine have a lot of oil here, this is the problem. You have PCV membrane broken. This one. I will show you how to change it. Okay guys, here you have some clips. I don't need the cap anymore because I have a new one. Let me change the tool. Look. So next, what you need to do, put here a new spring, this gasket, and now you're gonna see on the cap you have this line. Put with a line like that, okay? And here you have a gap. This gap must go through here. And push. That's it. Okay. Now after that, I want to change this cap. Here is the cap. I hope will fit. Okay, I have a clamp here broken from the bonnet rack. This is a clips. and I will try to take it off. Okay, and now I will put the new one. Just push. Let's see if it's work. That's it. Now I will wash the engine, and that's it, guys. Bye.